Alright, so today's video is a hair video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed one of my old wigs from like a highlighted blondish color to this nice brown color right here. It looks red on camera right now, but that's just the lighting. It's literally brown. And I also cut it a little bit. It was already a bob, but I cut it just because it was kind of not even, so I went ahead and cut it. I'll show you guys how I use the watercolor method to color this hair, and then how I also cut it. I'm talking fast because my camera is about to die. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay fly, stay beautiful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace. So the two colors, I'm going to be using the watercolor method to color this wig, and the two colors I'm going to be using are just colors that I had from dyeing hair previously. Is the Adore Sienna Brown. This one is the Adore Sienna Brown. And then I'm also going to be using this HICOLOR Excellence by Loreal. And it's the permanent hair color, and it's in the color soft brown. I don't know how those colors are gonna look, but I just know that I want this wig to be brown. I no longer want it to be this like two-tone color, because it kind of looks orange. And wash the hair after we color it, dry it, straighten it, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut it. So if you want to see that, keep on watching.